Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Grade 2, today is 12th December and our chapter is 10 and the chapter name is weight. We have done last time the estimating weight in grams and kilograms and standard unit of weight. The standard unit of weight that we use is kilogram and we write kilogram as kg. The standard unit of weight is kg, stand for kilogram, and 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams. So, in the previous lecture, we learned that how to write weight of the objects, things that are less than kilogram and more than 1 kilogram. So kilogram is the standard unit. The things that are smaller than the kilogram, जिन चीज़ों का वेट किलोग्राम से कम होता है हम उनको ग्राम में मैयर करते हैं. So now today our topic, our objectives are estimating weight in kilograms and grams. Open up the page number 115. This page, you can see this page. Kilogram is the standard unit of the measure for weight. You can see here is a sugar bag. Its weight is round about 1500 gram. And on the other balance machine ke one side pe we put the sugar bag and on other side we put the 1 kilogram weight. So the bag of the sugar weight is 1 kilogram and 500 gram. कितना वेट है 1 किलो and 500. It means 1.5 kilogram. So you will say that 1.5, how do we write? 1.5 kg. Or you will write in grams 1500 grams. 1500 grams. So the bag of the sugar weight is 1 kg and 500 grams. So next, the biscuits weigh more than 1 kilogram. As you can see, this is the weight. The weight is 1 kilogram and the biscuits tray is of 2 kilogram. So you can say these biscuits weigh more than 1 kilogram. Okay, grade 1. 1 kilogram means it's 2 kilogram. So 1 kilogram less than the weight is 1 kilogram less. So we will say that the tray or this side of the scale is going to tip down because 1 kilogram is more from the other side. That's why is going to tip down. You can say that ये जो weight है it's of 1 kilogram and the biscuit tray is of 2 kilogram. So the tray is heavier than the weight. That's why ये जो tray है a bit नीचे की तरफ bend हो जाएगा. That shows that the biscuits are heavier than the weight. The sack of the rice weighs more than 1 kilogram. What is the weight of the sack of the rice? It is 5 kilogram. And what is the weight? It is 1 kilogram. How many kilos more? 4 kilogram, 4 kgs more than, it has 4 kgs more than this weight. So sack of the rice weighs more than 1 kilogram. So we can say it is more than 1 kilogram. The next example, you can see the sugar, sack of sugar, it is of 3 kilogram. 3 kg means 3 kilogram and the weight is of 2 kilogram. So which side is heavier? Yes, the sack is heavier than the 2 kg because it's of 3 kg. That's why it will tip down. The sack of the sugar weighs more than 2 kgs. So what we will say, the sack of the sugar weighs more than 2 kgs. Open up the next page, 116. So on this page, what is the weight of each of these objects? A, first point A, the weight of floor sack is dash kg. You can see what is the weight of the floor. The weight is 5 kilogram and both pans are equal, both sides are equal. So you can say the weight of the floor is 5 kilogram. Okay, grade 1, 5 kg. Next, B point, the weight of the mangoes is, what is the weight of the mangoes? 2 mangoes and the weight is of 700 grams. So we will write the weight of the 2 mangoes is 700 grams, more than half kg. Half kg से ज़्यादा है and 1 kg से less than 1 kg and more than half kg. Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram होते हैं ना, 1000 gram 1 kg is equal to, so it is less than 1000, 700. कितना है ये? 700 gram है. So next C point, the weight of the watermelon is dash kilogram. कितना है? It is equal to 3 kg. So we will write here 3 kilogram. Only 3 kg is written. Unit is written. So we will write here 3 kilogram. The weight of the wood is, what is the weight of the wood? You have to read the hand. The weight machine hand is pointing toward 4. So you can say the weight of the wood is 4 kg. कितना है? 4 kg. Grade 1. Thank you so much.